How to install the M10 from Parani. First of all, open the box to see what's inside. Once you open the box, you see the unit on the outside. Take it out, some nice foam covering, and there's a box with accessories and fitments, and there's also an instruction manual. That completes the unboxing. This is the sticky pad for the Parani M10 unit. This is the clamp pad which does the exact same job. You have the microphone cover and the hook and loop stickers for the speakers. You also have a Type-C cable, which is quite good, I must say, and the boom microphone unit and the speakers. Now get your helmet and open it up from the cover. Hope you store it in the cover. This is what my helmet looks like. This is my Scorpion EXO 490. Place the cover so that you don't mar the finish on the helmet. Take out the cheek pads one by one. There's 2 buttons and a velcro. After the cheek pads, take out the clips on the back side, and this is what your helmet should look like, with nothing inside it. No cheek pads, and the clips removed from the back end. Take out the hook and loop stickers for the speakers. There's a hook and loop on one side, sticker on the other. Flick open the sticker. Place the pad inside the indents provided for the speakers inside the helmet. If you don't have one, place it in the approximate location. And do the same on the other side. This is what my helmet looks like. That's the indentation over there. Place the helmet carefully so that it doesn't tip over. Take out the boom microphone and the speaker set with a long cable and stick on both sides. The left side is where the microphone comes in. You can also put it on the right side, I suppose, but I prefer it on the left side. And stick on the other side as well, and you should be left with a long cable. Stuff the long cable with the USB part on the outside, hanging outside. Place back the cheek pads in the same orientation that you took them out. And you're about to install the head unit itself. Once you're done with that, make sure everything is nice and snug inside. Your chin strap is, your chin curtain is not getting stuck. That's where you'll install the Parani M10 unit. Make sure you have the spacing perfect. I'm using a clamp bracket because my helmet fits that. If you can't fit that, you can put the sticky pad as well. You just slide in the clamp from the bottom and take it slow. You don't want to scratch your helmet. And once you're done with that, make sure the clamp is completely inside. And now you take out the unit itself that you placed on the side. You have 3 indentations here, 3 clips, and you slide it in from the top like so. Carefully, making sure that it's placed correctly. Look at the top and the bottom so that you're sliding it in correctly. You should hear a satisfying click when you press it down. Make sure your helmet doesn't tip over again. And then plug in the connector, which is like a USB thingy. And you're done. That's it.